The 3D printing revolution is opening doors for bold entrepreneurs, but the real winners are those who identify niche markets. Instead of targeting oversaturated areas like generic prototypes, dig deeper. Think custom medical devices, architectural models, or replacement parts for vintage machinery. Research local gaps and listen to industry pain points. Validate your ideas by connecting with potential clients early. By specializing, you reduce competition and can command higher prices. Success in 3D printing isn't about mass production. It's about precision, creativity, and solving unique problems others overlook.